AMSOIL 100% synthetic metric motorcycle oil reduces friction, heat, and wear. In high heat conditions, AMSOIL synthetic metric motorcycle oil exceeds the standard for high-temperature film strength to deliver excellent wear protection. It keeps engines running cool by effectively reducing friction and heat, and it contains a heavy treatment of anti-wear additives to reduce wear regardless of operating conditions. AMSOIL synthetic metric motorcycle oil is thermally, heat, stable and contains maximum levels of oxidation-inhibitor additives. It is extremely resistant to volatility and is engineered to prevent damaging sludge and carbon deposits for superior engine cleanliness. Smooth, confident shifts. AMSOIL synthetic metric motorcycle oil contains no friction modifiers and promotes smooth shifting and positive clutch engagement. It is engineered to control heat and prevent slippage and glazing, promoting long clutch life. Controls foam. High RPM operation causes some motor oils to foam. When foam bubbles travel between gear teeth or engine components, they collapse, allowing metal surfaces to contact, causing wear. AMSOIL synthetic metric motorcycle oil contains advanced anti-foam additives that help prevent foam, allowing riders to confidently push their bikes to the limit. Delivers superior rust and corrosion protection. Unlike many motorcycle oils, AMSOIL synthetic metric motorcycle oil contains special anti-rust agents that deliver superior rust protection during storage and long periods of inactivity. With its high 11.6 total base number, AMSOIL synthetic metric motorcycle oil provides greater protection from acid corrosion and helps maintain internal engine cleanliness. Available in SAE 10W30, 5W40, 10W40 and 15W50. Join the millions of proud AMSOIL users to experience the difference and get your metric motorcycle oil today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to OILPROTECH.com and click on the Shop Now link. Become an AMSOIL preferred customer and save up to 25% off orders. Add a 6-month or 1-year preferred customer membership to your cart today. Thanks, have a great day.